Hello friends, welcome to the fourth lecture, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the dashboard of WordPress, and what it has in its dashboard and what features it is providing us. So to access the admin area, as I told in previous lecture, that you have to insert your URL like this. This is your main URL, and further you have to add this WT admin. It will redirect you to login page where you have to insert your username and password, which we have discussed in the previous lecture. After inserting the username and password, you will be here. This is the first window of WordPress which you will see. This is the complete admin panel of WordPress. All the work done by admin can be done through this interface, or we can call it WordPress dashboard. So let me quickly share the different elements which are present here and what are their functionings, how they work. First of all is the WordPress logo, and it generally contain about WordPress, WordPress.org documentation form. You can ignore this section. This is your homepage. If you want to visit your website, you can click here. For example, I'm right clicking on this visit site and in new tab. Just opening it in new tab because I don't want to lose this page. So this is the by default our first look of the website. Customize it to make it better. WordPress website without any theme and without any post. Let's close this and see here. This is when you receive any comment, then you can see here. By default it is 0 because we are not having any comment on any post. This is the by default comment, but WordPress not count it. And here's the new option. You will like to add new post, media like images, videos, links, pages, users. You can do this from here also. So in the dashboard you will see home and updates. Now updates is when a new WordPress update is there. Check. Second one is post. In post we have all posts. If you click on all posts, it will show you the number of posts you have written in your WordPress website. Here's the add new post. Here's the category. This is the main thing. Let me quickly show the categories. And here's the tags. Well, don't worry about tags. When you write article, then we will use tags. Here's the media. So all posts categories are open. So you can add different categories here, so that you can add them to menus and create beautiful menus. For example, I'm showing you my website to you guys. I'll show you the categories and menus I'm using in it. It's taking very much time, I think, along with my server. It's loading. You can see that from here you can insert categories and you can use in menu like I'm showing you. So here are my categories. Android tips. This is the category I have created in my WordPress website. This is also all 5 categories I have created in my WordPress, and then I implemented these, or I used these categories in my menus. Isn't that cool? You can see there beautiful mega menu is opening here. Improve the visibility. It improve the user experience of website by so. Similarly, you can create lots of categories. For example, let me tell you, we are WordPress free themes, so we can create. You can see a category is added now. So to use it in menus, that I will discuss in menu section. First of all, you just create categories according to your website. For example, technology websites, technology based websites. So I am using different technology headings, sub menus here. See, this is all about categories. Further is media. Close this. There is media means it contain your images and your videos, etc. Links are just different links if you want to provide to your website or about your social profiles, whatever links you are using are listed here are the pages. So pages are also the important facts or important elements of the WordPress. Now let me show you the all pages. Say just one page is there which is about. You can create a page by clicking here on add new. Pages such as about us, contact us, privacy policy, your home page, or terms and conditions can be created through pages. So this is the function of pages. The next is comments. I told you if you receive any comment you will check here. This is the appearance. This contain all the elements about your appearance of your WordPress website, like themes, customized widgets, menus, headers, background editors. We are going to discuss all these elements when we use themes. It's just I'm just introducing you plugins. Plugins are the most important part of WordPress. You know, the main reason for the popularity of WordPress are plugins. Almost we can configure anything in WordPress by using plugins. So in next lectures I will tell you what are the important plugins for a basic WordPress website, how to configure a few of them, and what are the uses of. Here user means if you click on all users you will see yourself as admin. Further you can add as much as user you want. You can see here Shimarma, this is me, and I can add new by clicking here. You can try them. Here are the tools. If you want to import some WordPress backup, then we can import from here. Similarly, if we want to save the backup of our WordPress website, then we click on export. This second settings contain general, writing, reading, discussions, medias, permalinks. Okay, so here the important part, that what are permalinks. Permalinks are basically the structure of your posts or your website, so configure it wisely. As I open the permalink here, so you can see here the custom structure is category and post name. Also I suggest you to remove the category from here, just use post name here. It will be beneficial for the search engines to index your website. Click on save. Yeah, so you can see the post name is now set up by take care of this permalinks. So the rest in settings we have different things. For example, I'm opening journal section here. It contains basically your site title, taglines, WordPress URL, your site address, so many things like memberships. Yeah, of course, one important thing is that this, anyone can register option, that any user can register to your website. Say similarly in writing section, writing you don't have to do anything, just don't uh, change any setting in this. In reading I will tell you, if you have your static home page, mean you designed your home page and you want it to be your main home page, that is someone when type www.org, then he or she will redirect to your special page which you have designed. Then you use static page here and select page. This is showing about page because we have not created any page yet. But if you don't want to create your home page and you want that latest posts will come in the your home page, then you can select. So click on save. Okay, so that's all about the WordPress menu, and I hope you learned about the all the elements about the WordPress. So all the best for your next lecture.